Hello everyone. We are the Luminous Goddesses here in Encinitas, California, inviting you to join us for the Virgo full moon ceremony this Saturday, February 27th, online and in person.
You'll experience sound healing, journeying through music, beautiful meditation and visualization, and the absolute perfect vibration of crystal singing bowls, harp, drums, and more.
We'll be also connecting in and grounding down our sacred feminine divine energy so that we can expand and really elevate into the masculine.
And then we will conclude with a light codes activation to embody the beautiful energies of this Virgo full moon within you and all of the light codes that are coming in with all of the solstices and all of the Aquarian age for this Virgo full moon. And the four of these beautiful priestesses have never united until this beautiful night. Join us from Encinitas, California, Kelly, Ellen, Venus, and myself, Jennifer, the Luminous Full Moon Ceremony, Sound Healing and Activation. You can find it on Eventbrite or at lightpriestesstemple.com, February 27th. Align, lift, and activate.